Hello everyone, John Cernuska with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. We're looking at a 2021 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage model, dual console, awesome boat, very popular, very versatile. You do almost everything in it. We'll do a quick walkthrough today. You got a live well on the port side, flip out bench, very nice convertible lounger seat here on the port side as well. Helm area, nice touchscreen Raymarine, AM/FM stereo, Bluetooth, stream your favorite music right to the power head. Nice bucket seat with flip up by thigh bolster. The complete cockpit deck area, self-bailing, of course. Easy to maintain, easy to wash down. Forward seating. Nice optional hardtop with matching hull side color, light blue on this unit. Nice storage underneath most of the seats. Quick look into the head compartment. Got a nice portable head, dockside pump out, freshwater sink. If you'd like more information on this particular unit or any other boat that you see on MarineMax.com, anywhere in the United States, feel free to give us a call. John Cernuska, 239-297-4788. Thanks for watching.